This was a study of osseointegration patients before and after they received their implant. So comparing how they function with a socket prosthesis versus how they function with a osseointegration prosthesis. Osseointegration is a technology that uses rods that are implanted directly into the bone that have the capacity for bone to grow onto the surface of the metal. And this creates a very strong bond with the bone that allows the patient to then weight bear and attach a prosthesis that's very stable and allows them to be highly functional as a result. We found that in basically all domains of their functional outcome scores that they improved. They were able to wear their prosthesis longer, they were able to walk further, they were more comfortable with their prosthesis. We'd like patients to know that this is a newer technology, but one that we very much support and we are very excited about and want to continue to utilize in our future patients because we think it vastly improves their experience as being an amputee.